everyone, welcome back to my studio. I hope you're ready for some new fun. I got in all that shipment of eye candy pigments from the Memorial Day sale and I want to play with some other new ones. So let's go down to the table and I will show you what we're playing with today. Okay, in my shipment I got a pack of Colorshift. I got the Colorshift sample set. Now this has 26 different colors in it. I picked 3 for us to play with today. I have 3 6x6 wood canvases, and we are going to do one of these in each canvas. So the first one is Land of the Rising Sun, and this is supposed to be an orange, yellow, red, green shift. The second one is, I'm probably going to mess these up, Aomidori, and that is a blue, green, purple color shift. And the last one is Monitor Lizard, and that one looks white, but it's going to be a yellow, blue, green color shift. So we're going to mix those colors in the bloom with some other eye candies, and they are going to be a watermelon, wasabi, Aoi Hi Blue, and then for a tube paste, I've got Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And for our base color, we are going to grab it out. We're going to use the Agreeable Gray. So let's get started. Hold on. All right, let's get that first base puddle down. Use one color shift per painting. So we're going to start with Land of the Rising Sun. Then the star of the show. Now I'm going to put a lot of different colors on here because I really want the color shift to stand out. Up. Let's see if we can see any of that color shift. Maybe a little. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, if I tilt it the right way, you can tell where those color shifts are. It's mainly around this side here. You're going to see that color shift really coming out. All right. Okay, this is number 2, and on this one we are going to use the Aomidori color shift, which is a blue, green, purple color shift. So again, we're going to start with our base. Okay, now this time I'm going to put the color shift on the bottom and the top. to try and get more of it on there and get more of a reaction. That up for you. Oh wow. Oh, you definitely see the shift in this one. Look at that. Oh, I'm liking that. All right. Let's clean up and set up for the next one. Okay, last one, and this time we are going to use that Monitor Lizard. It looks white, but it is a yellow, blue, green shift. So that one should be very interesting to see how it works. We're going to start again with the color shift on the bottom, and then the color shift will be on again later. See how we like the color shift on this one. That's whether you see any shift in those, in that white, because it's that white that's going to have the shift. But otherwise that is pretty. Look at that. All right. We're going to set this aside and I'll give you wet results on all three. Hold on. Okay, so we have wet results. Let's go through them again. And we'll see more of that color shift once they're a little drier. But even without the color shift, I think they came out really pretty. Here's the last one. Oh, look, you can even see some of that color shift right there. You see that color change? Cool. All right. see if I can get other angles that give you a different color. But... all right, we're gonna let these dry and then we'll play with the color shift. Hang in there. Okay, we have dry results on these. Now I'm gonna give you a close-up on each one real quick, and then we'll try and get them to shift for you. Have the lighting right to get them to shift. So we'll see if I can do that. Oh, they came out so pretty. All right, let me see if I can get them to shift for you. So I'm going to show you the shift. So if you look at this one, it shifts from almost a white blue, and when it shifts, it's going to be a dark purple. Let me see if I can get it for you. You see that dark coming, and then it goes to light again. If I get it just right. It is tough sometimes to get it to shift. Oh, there it is. See that? See that dark? It's pale, it's dark. Now, this one's the one that's hard to see. There's this green that pops up if you get it in the right light. You see how it has that green look where the white is around this area up here? It just goes, if you get it in the right light, you get that green. This one is the one that's the least shifting, but you can see it, yeah, sort of in there. Then this one is, the color shift mainly went out here to the edges, but if you look here, it's very pale and then it's very orange. Let me get it. See, I got it to shift before, but you'll see, there it is. You see that, how it darkens up? This lighting is not good for this, but it'll look very pale and then it'll look very orange, which is cool. But that's the shifting in this one. Okay guys, that's the end for this one. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Thank you so much for being here. This is part of Friday with Friends, so please check the description box to see who has a video tonight and follow along with the train. Have a wonderful weekend.